On your dashboard of Locked On, you'll have the ability to add more widgets to the dashboard. Simply hit the Edit Dashboard option and you will now see a list of all of the available widgets. To add them to your dashboard, you simply need to click on them and drag them down to the position you want. Once you've put them on that first line, you'll have the ability to remove other ones by hitting the X, and you can also move the positions of these if needed after. When you're happy with the widgets that you've selected, you can hit the Save Dashboard option and you will now see that your dashboard is updated. If you hit the Edit Dashboard and you feel as though you've made a mistake and you'd like to start again by dragging them all on, hit Reset, which will then reset this to your standard widgets that come with Locked On, and hit Save. Our knowledge base article will explain what every single widget does, so you'll then be able to choose which one you would like to put on your dashboard.